Good morning student, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to study chapter 3, that is MS Word 2016. So what is MS Word 2016? Before I start with MS Word 2016, I will tell you it is a application software. What MS Word actually do? MS Word is basically used for typing purpose, but the difference is that we can use different fonts and many styles through which we can make our typing more attractive. It is used basically for documentations. So for example, in MS Word you can write poems, you can write stories, or simply take an example, you can type your question paper that you get in your exams. It has many tools through which we can make our documentations or typing more attractive. It has different colors, we can use different colors also through which we can use in our writing. So what are the things that we are going to study in this chapter are how to insert a word art, inserting a picture, inserting shape, grouping ungrouping shapes, inserting symbol, header footer, changing uppercase to lowercase, page border, page color. These are the things that we are going to study in this chapter. Now let us know what is the history of MS Word. It is also created by MS Office. It comes under MS Office. So what are the things that come under MS Office are MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint and MS Access. Today we are going to study about MS Word 2016. Let us know the history of MS Word. MS Word is a proprietary word processor designed by Microsoft. It was first released in 1983 under the name Multi-Tool Word for Xenix. The present software of MS Word is MS Office. The first version of MS Word was developed by Charles Simonyi and Richard Body. These are the two people who firstly created MS Word. Windows version was first released in 1989. It was first released in 1989 with a slightly improved interface. When it was introduced in 1989, it has some improved interface also. So in this we are going to study how to insert a word art. Word art are some pictures that are by default installed in MS Word that you used while documenting your letter or text. Inserting a picture, in this you can insert a picture according to your documentation, what is the need of the documentation. You can use different shapes. It has multiple shapes also, like square, triangle, hexagon, cloud shape and many more. It has many symbols also, like you can use mathematical symbols, like you are going to type some mathematics questions. There are multiple symbols also. With the help of MS Word you can insert that symbols also. And there are some special characters that are @ hash, hyphen. With the help of this MS Word you can use this special characters also. There are header and footers, and how we are going to change the border, page border, and how we can change page color. Let's see what these two people are talking about MS Word. Hi Tina, do you remember Microsoft Word studied in your previous class? He is asking, do you remember what we studied in previous class? Actually we don't remember what we studied in previous class. That is why we do revision, so that we don't forget. So what she said, yes Rahul, Microsoft Word is a word processor, a software program capable of creating, storing and printing typed document. She said, yes, I remembered. Microsoft Word is a word processor, a software program, an application capable of creating, storing and printing type document. Whatever we write in MS Word with the help of printer, we can take print out of whatever we have written on MS Word. Then what he said, yes Tina, today the word processor is one of the most frequent software program, with Microsoft Word being most popular word processor. Now what she said, wow Rahul, we have learned its various features in our previous class. She said, yes, we have learned various features in our previous class. She remember everything whatever she had studied in her previous class. What he said, yes Tina, and in this chapter we shall learn about how to make our document attractive in MS Word. In this he will study how the document will look more attractive and more beautiful, and what are the different features that we can use in documenting in MS Word 2016. In our next class we will study more about MS Word and what are the multiple features of MS Word. That's it for today class. Thank you students.